The SmartEco feature can be installed in your scooter by subscribing to SmartEco feature under Ather Labs in your phone application. This is where we bring our latest innovation to make your Ather experience smarter. Wow, that helps you achieve more range with 100% charge. Hi, hello, good morning. This is Mohan, and this video is all about Ather 450X SmartEco Mode, which is recently introduced. And this helps achieve the maximum range of 85 km per charge with 100% SOC. So this helps in controlling your acceleration based on your riding pattern. In case if you're going to ride aggressively, it decreases the acceleration and make you achieve the 85 km range. In case if you're very efficient, it automatically helps you give more range. The Smart Echo feature is controlling your acceleration level. It also shows you how efficiently you ride. The bar on the right side of your screen tells you how efficiently you ride. The bigger the bar, the blue indicates that you're riding most efficiently. The red indicates your efficiency level is less. This mode is the combination of eco and ride mode together, so the top speed caps to 65 km per hour. In case if you're riding with a pillion, it might affect your range. This helps in unplanned or a long range travel to achieve the maximum range.